Daka mensia mensam lang ya Jingiakop Christmas ka Silesian Youth Movement SYM ringkat ka Jingiatre lang ka DBYC kila penlong ya ka Jingiakop Rwai choir bat ka Jingiakop Shad lani ka group dance competition haka arpulai trek unok pra arja arpusau. Haka janmiet la penpo penpieng lengba ki Rwai na ki nong Rwai bat ki Kynhun baper bakentop ya ka Elena Soktung mi balajet Kerman Sumalin sadabat kiwe. Lawan ban Aiman Sim yaki samla the Vice Provincial ka Silesian Province of Shillong Reverend Father Jivan Lakra ubla sam yaka kubor Christmas bat kentu yaki samla ban long barabor ki bakloi ban sam jingkman bat jingsuk ha kani ka perthai ki babon ki jingkulmar baharukam.
Christmas is a time of joy and peace. And we are all, Christmas is a message, gives a message of peace, of love, and to bring about right relationship. And we are all called to spread love. May each one of us become an agent of peace and love. May each one of us who celebrate Christ's birthday become instruments of Christ's love.
Hakabukot ki Jingiakop ka Cecilia choir kalara ikanam Lahduh haka choral singing competition da ka song pisa ka basan pau hajar tengka bat ika kerdan baar layo da ka Saint Anthony School choir ringkat ka song pisa arpusan hajar tengka. Haki Jingiakop Shad ya ka nam Lahduh layo ra da ka Kynhun Shillong Dance Academy bat haka kerdan ka baar layo bandra Dhaka the One Side Fusion.
To spread this message to the whole world.
Christmas to me. The sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. Mary, did you know?
Hakani ga jo jan me la yo ru ban pelat ka god bala tho do Reverend Father A.L. Jules ka ba ai kerteng ka jingsok ya ka perthai.
I'm very happy to release this book, Jingsuk Yakapertei, and congratulate Father A.L. Jules for bringing out this book. May the title bring about Jingsuk in the world, in our lives, and whoever reads it.
Let's put hands together.
Lala ban sakhi ru ik jingdon men SYM ki babon bakan thop ya ke Solution Youth Movement ringkat ki nong no samnyang katak Kalila Brothers HU Textiles Selections Center Point bat ki we ban sam lang yak Jinkman Christmas shaki khon sweat lingba ki jing ai ngobha bapher.
This initiative reflects the true meaning of Christmas.
Yes, my child.
Okay, Santa, where is my gift now?
You want gifts? Okay, wait.
Thank you, Santa, for this beautiful gift. And thank you, Jesus.
Happy Christmas to everyone.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, with you, shawty, with you. Under the mistletoe.
employ fear bleeding, just packaging is cool. Heal the paramedic, and aided so many miracles.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the jingle bells.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. It's we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a
Merry Christmas!
Once again.
knowing that things
habatin pej bahagi kishap ke sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ke sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.